Guys, I'm with the other vlogger, Kisha. That's his shadow.
I'm gonna vlog. Oh my god!
That's the sky. It's 3 in the morning. What is that? Fuck no.
Oh hell no.
It's
What's up?
bro. It's
I'm
3 in the
here.
morning.
It's like
We just get our in home.
my cousin's dog. It's so cute.
Yeah, it's so cute. We will not face reveal. We will blur our. Bro, there's. Bro, what the fuck? The freaking light scared us.
The light flickered.
Yeah,
I don't know why.
that's our dog. It's
So scary.
so scary, bro. It's 3 in the morning.
Like,
There's still
you
people
know
at
why
sleep.
we're outside at the tree
This
at midnight. You know why? Because we're sneak out.
this is the other YouTuber. Oh shit! What is that? It's like a wolf.
Look at his body.
No,
Bro's not jacked.
Bro, I will blur your face after this. Bro, it's 3 in the morning. Stop running. It's 3 in the morning. Fuck no. Fucking no.
I swear I just saw it.
There's a white lady. Fuck no.
I swear I just saw a shadow. How do you want?
Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit. The fuck? Our family always
Bro's my cousin by
Wait.
the way.
wakes up at the morning. That's our house. That's my cousin's house.
This is my cousin.
Bro, that's just
Obviously, we're not gonna do something easily.
our dog. Very cute. Cute. This is our first vlog as being a YouTuber. We are trying to get.
I swear, if a dog barks at me again, I hope the dog doesn't hear me.
Gogi,
I
what the
swear.
fuck? What the fuck? Come over here.
I don't care.
What the fuck?
They're crazy.
Eh.
Annoying.
In the future,
The beach sand.
we carried on the beach. No. Actually, that's seawater.
I don't care.
That's not seawater.
Why?
Because it's mixed with salt.
Look, it's bubbling.
Because
Bro,
it's seawater.
Did you put a soap in here?
No.
Why is it bubbling?
Because of the sea sand. Do you know nature?
Duh.
What is that? What the fuck is that?
Look at the beach sand.
Bro!
So messy. Let me put it back. The dog.
The dog. It's so cute.
I swear. Panda. Panda. Kot.
Panda kot.
Kuchi. Ah! Bro, just touch my nose.
Bruh. That has diabetes.
What the fuck? Why did you feed him?
I fed him shrimp.
Bro, what the fuck?
So he's dead. I don't know. Oh, sorry, God. Sorry, God.
My phone fell. I hope my cousin save it.
If we are successful in the future, this is 2026 April.
Bro, this is so weird.
This is April 16.
There's a cat.
Bro.
I see it.
It's a black cat. Oh no.
It's not heading toward us.
My camera is so blurry. Let's go inside.
Same as mine.
Okay, guys, the vlog is finished. That's the tour of our apartment.
Oh,
What
there's
the
also
fuck?
Manga.
That's a manga.
Mango.
It's in Filipino.
We're just a Filipino who tries to get
Subscriber.
group.
Yeah. In the future,
Yeah.
I
By
want
the way, my favorite YouTuber is Fulton. What's up?
What's up, Paultin? We
If you're
are.
watching this, I hope not. Because, my vlog's bad. It's even bad than yours. The first vlog.
Um.
Oh, bye!
That's